Hello guys, welcome to Freddy Peters Studios. On today's video I just want to show you something, how you can upload your video using your mobile phones and optimize it immediately for better views using vidIQ. So if you don't already know what vidIQ is one of the partnering search engine optimization platforms with YouTube. TubeBuddy and vidIQ, they are two of the best, if not the most popular known softwares for easy customization and optimization for your YouTube content. So without wasting time, I will show you my upload method and I will still show you how I optimize my video keywords and tags using the vidIQ app. So I want to upload a video right now on my YouTube using the app. There are two ways to upload your videos on YouTube. You can either upload it through here. You can either upload your video through this place, or you go straight to the YouTube studio and upload it. So for now, I'll be making use of this style. This is the video I want to upload here. Hello besties, welcome to Friday Peter. Okay, I have the thumbnail already. This is the thumbnail. I'm not so good at thumbnails, but I'm trying. The titling, I'll leave it unlisted for now. That's the best. Do not leave your videos at public though. Your long form videos precisely. Just leave it on unlisted. Then you go to your studio and do all the rest of the customization. So the titling. Okay. The description, I just have to write something like this video. It's very okay to use ChatGPT or use a script writer. Just calm down and craft out a compelling script or description for your videos. I didn't do that for this video, but it's something I've been doing, so I will certainly do something nice. Don't worry about me. I will just make this thing short. Okay, you write something in the description. Some of you upload your videos without even adding descriptions to it. It doesn't even make any sense. Just write something, even if it's small. Just write something and add at least 3 tags on the description as well. Okay, we're done with the description and tags. Let me upload the video first, and then we'll do the rest of the customization with vidIQ, or better still, the studio and vidIQ. Upload. So the video is uploading. I will end this recording and continue later as well. So guys, as you can see, our video has just been uploaded. You can see my monetization is not turned on here, and visibility is on unlisted. So we'll do part of the customization on YouTube Studio and finish it with vidIQ. Okay, so to get to our YouTube Studio, we'll just come here. So I'm looking for, I bookmarked it. Okay, this is our YouTube Studio. All right, so look for the video we just uploaded right now. That is the video we just uploaded. The one at the top is still checking. YouTube is still checking it. So click on that pencil icon to do some of the customization here for better. Let me add it to a playlist. I'll just add it to one of these playlists here. I'll just add it to, click down to where you add your tags. Okay, this is tags section. I just add like 4 tags here. Why vidIQ is actually very good is because you can do little here, and just on vidIQ you'll do the rest ASAP without even wasting time. Ruth Kadiri, Sonia Uche, Nollywood. Okay, I'm done. This 4 is okay. You will see how vidIQ will just assess these tags and bring me more tags, and I'll just add them without even wasting time. Okay, so something else here, end screen is actually very important too. It helps YouTube to show your other videos to your viewers, so you can select a playlist or select a particular video. So in this case I'll select a particular video, or most recent. Okay, most recent video is fine because it's the same thing with this one. Save. If you want to add cards, just add cards. It's almost the same thing like end screen, but this one just displays on the top like a link. So Just use this one. Save it. Save it. The visibility. The video is still not public, so let's make it public now. Public. Done. Save. Good. Our video is now public and it has gone public. It's now at this point that your video can be shown to viewers. My monetization button, I don't know if it's on. It should be off, so I have to turn it on. Here we go. So let's go back to YouTube and see what I'm saying, that the video is public now. Can you see? Our video is public, but no views yet. It was just uploaded 52 seconds ago. Okay, so let's finish up the setup with vidIQ. vidIQ, you have to connect your YouTube channel to vidIQ. It's very easy. If you don't know how to go about it, just go to Google Play Store, Apple Store, download the app vidIQ, link it to your YouTube channel. You can see my logo, my YouTube profile there. Link it. This is the video we just uploaded, right? If I was using a pro version of this app, a paid version of it, it would have shown me the ratings of my thumbnail, everything. But since I'm not using the pro version, there are a few things I can do. Can you see? vidIQ has already checked the tags I used and has already recommended more tags for me. All I have to just do is just click to add, and they will just keep adding. They just keep adding. Publish. It will say suggest more. I didn't need to keep typing all these things over there. This is suggesting related tags for me. Okay, I think this is enough. I'll just copy the same tag and still add them on my description. Paste. Can you see? Can you see how it's really making sense? Publish changes to your video. Then we're good to go, guys. This is all of my videos that I use vidIQ to optimize very well for better viewing. So it's very easy, guys. Let's see if the things we just introduced to this video has appeared here. Can you see all the tags we added from vidIQ? Can you see everything here? Can you see the description? Can you see everything here? vidIQ makes it easy. Okay, so try vidIQ and you'll thank me. And by the way, this is my first YouTube channel because I don't know where you'll be watching this video from. So just so you know. Okay, see you soon.